So the next stock on my list is Venky's, and let's try to evaluate if Venky fits into our criteria that we have put in for stock selection for positional trading. Our first criteria was that the stock should be in clear long and medium term uptrend. If I look at Venky's and go down in the history of Venky's, from last year it was at 750, and in the last 12 months it has gone up to 2200, which is around 3 times. So 3 times is a great move in the right direction, and that means it was a clear long-term momentum and uptrend, and even in a short term it has risen quite a bit. In fact, it has risen too much, and what gives me a confidence that even though it has risen too much, it is still a good bet. And the reason is because even though it has risen from 1500 to 2350, but then for the last 8-10 sessions it is still hanging at this level. What it means is that even though the price has substantially increased, and these people who might have taken this at 1500 and have seen the price going up till 2350, they are still keen on remaining invested in this stock even at this price, even though they can book profits. That gives me a lot of confidence in this stock. So is the stock in clear long-term and medium-term uptrend? Yes and yes. Stock in momentum? Yes. What about the consolidation layer? Although the consolidation layer is not as big or very strong, it is just like consolidation layer of around like 8-10 days or so. But as I mentioned, that even though at a very high price, the price is hanging and people are not booking profits, simply means that people are still interested in staying invested in this stock. So good consolidation layer. Can't say it is not bad though. It is okay. Valid technical pattern. What is the technical pattern here? So the price made an up move, stayed here, and is a rounding bottom. So that's the technical pattern here we're talking about. Yes, price decreasing on low volume and price increasing on high volume. If you look at this, and especially if you look at any part of it, so majorly the price has increased on high volumes, green, red are small candles. Even now for the last 15 sessions, if I have to observe, the green candles are very big, which simply means the hands of very powerful people, institutional investors probably, and then the red candles are comparatively very small. And even now the red candles are very small for the last 10 days or so, and the green candles are bigger, much bigger. Simply means that the stock is decreasing on low volume and is increasing on high volume. Relative strength of stock with respect to Nifty. Obviously, Nifty has been range bound for the last few weeks and few months, not few weeks. And this stock was consolidating for a couple of months, like 3, 4, 5, 6 months. It was consolidating between September to May. Then it broke out of the range, and after it broke out of the range, it never stopped. So obviously the strength is very strong as compared to Nifty. Risk reward. The risk in this case is that if the candle closes below 2200, I will cut this trade, which means 159. So 24 into like around 6% or so is the risk. The risk is around 6%, and the reward will be around like 20% odd on this trade. So the risk to reward is around 1:2.5. That's where it stands. Entry price should be at the open of this candle on Monday, which is around 2350 range. So that's the entry price for this stock. Overall, many criteria are met. This is more like an aggressive entry. So the reason why we are taking it is because we see that this stock is in a very strong momentum, and it has a great upside to it, although it can be a little risky bet, but we will still like to go ahead with it with a smaller quantity and see how it goes. It may still go into a consolidation layer for a couple of days before this moving average that moves closer to it and then starts to rise. But I would still like to be invested in this stock because of multiple criteria that I've shared earlier, and see where it leads us to. Thank you.